TrueRetire Retirement Planner Honest review. Wait before using. TrueRetire is a retirement planning tool designed to help users estimate future income, saving need, and investment strategies. It offers automated projections and personalized advice based on user input. And here are the advantages about this platform. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. They also provide quick estimate of retirement readiness based on current financial data. They also offer a tailored advice to help users meet their retirement goal. And here's the downside about this platform, which is very annoying. It may not be accommodate complex financial situation or unique retirement scenarios. Some relies on standard assumption that might not reflect individual circumstances and does not offer access to financial advisor for personalized guidance. And here's the overall conclusion about this true retirement planning. So true retire is a solid starting point for individuals seeking a straightforward retirement planning tools. It's particularly useful for those new to financial planning or looking for a quick overview of their retirement readiness. However, for more intricate financial needs, consulting a professional advisor may be beneficial for you and your investment plan.